Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Thermomix Cookidoo mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a practical tool for managing recipes and meal planning with a Thermomix device. The Cookidoo app, available on both iOS and Android, is the official recipe platform for Thermomix users. It connects directly to Thermomix TM6 and TM5 models, allowing users to browse, save, and send guided recipes straight to their device. The app offers a wide range of recipes from various cuisines, each designed to be compatible with Thermomix's step-by-step cooking features. Users can search for meals by ingredient, dietary preference, or preparation time, and add them to their weekly planner or shopping list. The planner allows meal scheduling by day, while the shopping list compiles ingredients from multiple recipes for efficient grocery planning. Recipes are developed specifically for Thermomix, meaning they're tailored for the device's functions and timing. Among the pros, Cookidoo is praised for its intuitive layout, seamless syncing with the Thermomix device, and the quality and variety of its recipes. It helps streamline cooking by combining browsing, planning, and preparation in one app. On the downside, the app requires a paid subscription after a free trial. Some users mention limited customization of recipes and the need for constant internet access for syncing and updates. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.